So, mygamedayworld.com is basically an online store selling sports-related products and apparel, with prices and designs that can look pretty attractive. But before you place an order, there are a few things I'd check first. The biggest question is whether the products actually match the photos and descriptions. With lesser-known online stores, quality, sizing, shipping times, and customer service can sometimes be very different from what the website suggests. I'd also pay close attention to the return and refund policy. If you're ordering from overseas, returning something that doesn't fit or isn't what you expected could potentially be complicated or expensive. So, is mygamedayworld.com a scam? I wouldn't automatically make that claim without stronger evidence, but I also wouldn't rely purely on the website's marketing. Check independent reviews, payment protection, contact information, and shipping details before buying. Overall, the products may look tempting, but I'd do some research first and make sure you're comfortable with the risks before placing an order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.